Casio CZ3000 taken apart. Very similar to the CZ5000. The CZ5000 has the sequencer in it. So taking this apart wasn't that big a deal. There's 2 screws on each side of the keyboard. There and there. And then there were, on the keyboard, there were 3 screws across the bottom. And that released the keyboard. But before I could do that, I had to get the top off. And there are 2 screws for getting the top off on that side and 2 on this side. And then there were 3 or 4 across the back. Also, to get all that figured out, I'm not sure if I had to take this leading trim piece off or not, but I did, and it allowed me to see in under the keyboard. There were 4 screws there for that. Also, to get the keyboard loose, I had to undo 3 screws to remove the power switch panel. That came off easy. But the whole point of this was this wire has broken off my battery memory backup, and I got to resolder that to right there. So not a big deal. I thought it was going to be worse. I hope this helps you.